Start with skin-removed 8 chicken drumsticks. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 3 tablespoons olive oil. Mix everything well. Pour the seasoning over the drumsticks. Mix well until everything is evenly coated. Place the drumsticks on a parchment-lined baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. And that's it, simple, juicy, and full of flavor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. See you in the next video.